Hi everyone, welcome to my channel How Law Brings Business. So I haven't been updating this channel for a while. That is because I am setting up my own business, Affordable Legal Services. So here's the story. I've been looking at startup areas and considering utilizing my MBA knowledge for a while, and I couldn't find a way to do it. And then I also been working as a lawyer for 2 years. So according to the Law Society's requirements, once you've been working as a lawyer under supervision for 2 years, then you are eligible to apply to remove your supervision condition and also learn to be a principal of a law firm. So just in simple terms, as soon as you've been under supervision for 2 years, you can start your own law firm, like following the procedure and making application. However, this is not enough to let someone decided to run the firms all of a sudden. You know that for a business, there will be lots of considerations, and then also for most businesses, you'll be thinking about, okay, what if I lose money? Or maybe money is not the main concern, but you will also consider about other things, like how you're coping with it, whether there's conflict with your current job, whether you need to quit your job, etc., etc., etc. So for me, I am kind of an impulsive person, and I didn't do my budget before I started it. I think this is the main reason. So at the beginning, I didn't think about budget that much because I'm thinking, oh, nowadays people actually prefer working from homes. They prefer doing video communication or phone communication rather than in person. This is also happening in the law industry since lots of court hearings are online now, and I've been working from home as well. So I think that it's a good opportunity to start with something small in the new form of businesses, and because you don't need an office anymore, which means you don't have to spend lots of money to pay rent when you set up a business, because rent is a very high fixed cost, right? So I think, okay, so it won't cost me that much. Maybe just the license fee and insurance and some other small costs. However, I'm too naive. And so I apply for the practice management course. That's one condition before you can be a principal. So when I was doing the course, I actually didn't think that I would actually start my firm. I just think that, okay, let me just remove the other condition first so I can start my firm at whatever time I want. But then after I finished the course, I think, why don't I just start my firm now? So yeah, and then I just started without even finishing my budget. If I knew the budget will be so high, then I may not do it straight away, or maybe I will have more thoughts before actually doing it. But I think maybe this is something that you need to help you make the decision, and sometimes it could be the right decision. And yeah, so for me, starting my practice is not purely about making money, or to, for example, to showing off, like saying, oh, I have a firm or whatever. It's more about I can make use of the opportunities to utilize my business skill, my law skills, my communication skills, and also everything that I've learned in the past, and to convert it from the knowledge in theory into something I can do in practice. So for me, it's more about my self development project, how to grow myself, practice my ability, and try to help other people with my knowledge as well. And for people who never engaged with a lawyer before, they may think that they may think that, okay, this is not cheap enough. I understand that completely. But for people who have engaged a lawyer before, they will understand that my pricing is very fair. So because there's such a huge differences between my pricing and other law firms' pricings. There's some clients that come to me after they finish the consultation. So I said, okay, this is the consultation, because I'm not going to representing them in the court, because like during the day I still have my job. Then they're not willing to move to another firm, because once they move to another firm, that will be a different price. So yeah, I'm doing legal consultation to help people understand the issue that they're facing better from a legal perspective. And I also accept consultations for other areas, something quite simple, like, or maybe like admin. For example, you need to apply for something, you need to fill in a form, you're trying to do your visa yourself, but you want someone to look at it. I think it's more about like a self-guided consultation, that kind of services. And there's lots of people come to me and ask me to help them with their divorce application, to sign the witnesses, and so on. So I will manage all the inquiries and the client's needs, like to the best of my capacity. And if I can take it, means I am confident that I can do it. So if something beyond my scope, I would say, well, you have to talk to another lawyer, or like you have to go somewhere else. So this is me. This is my start of 2022. And yeah, so it's a very casual update, not the serious launch, about me and my new businesses. And I'm thinking about making a new Facebook page, which I already done, for affordable legal services. So I will upload some videos in relation to some legal issues, rather than talking it in a business perspective or somewhere else, or some other ways. I just think that, okay, I will start making legal videos now, or maybe like legal knowledge, legal information video now, so it can, on the one hand, improve my own communication skills, or improve my understanding of law, and also it helps me to think about using plain languages to explain the legal concept and the proceedings. All right, this is my updates, and you can see this is my website, affordablelegalservices.com.au, and you can contact me by email me, for example, like info@affordablelegalservices.com.au. Yeah, just check my website. Thank you.